Hi, everybody. This is 2024 National Treasures Baseball. One box. Pick your team, guys. We're in a serial filler for the unsold spots, guys. Good luck. Dice roll got to be ace, deuce, or higher. We're going 4 times, guys. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4th, and final, guys. Wow. Peterson up top. Burrow on the bottom, guys. Please screenshot if you need to. Please also remember, guys. Please also remember. On the, if we do it any redemptions in this product, every card is serial numbered. But if we do it a redemption, we do random it to the serial, or the parallel number of the redemption. So if it is an emerald number to 5, only the top 5 will be in that random for the card. If it's numbered to 3, top 3. If it's numbered to 1, guys, just please keep in mind that automatically will go to C. Peterson in a number 1 serial spot. No random being required on that. Good luck. No, but I'll do you one better. Guess the first autograph. I'll do it for 20. Go. First autograph for 20. Go. There we go, fresh case of National Treasures. Should be somewhere in there. Yeah, what up, Bergie? I'd say the Torii Hunters, the Skeens. I don't know if Ellie has autos in this. Griffey. Here we go, guys. Good luck. And we're going to start to 99. It's Amador. Colorado. I think that might be in the filler. No, Peterson is on the board. I thought that was going to be a 1 of 1. I stopped there for a second. That's a sick Ty Cobb, 29 of 49 on the silver hollow. It's a sick Ty Cobb. Nice hit for the Tigers. City Goat is on the board. Our first quad patch to the Cardinals to 99. It's Roby. To Cole Roby. I think these are all game used too, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, never mind. I lied. Arias, 13 to 25. Roderick Arias to 25. Like that kid. Yankees goes to the cereal. 3 spot. Who had the 3 spot? Heat Lover. Heat Lover getting Roderick Arias. And for the Jays, I'm sorry, for the Jays. For the Cubbies, Matt Shaw to 99. For the middleman in Chicago, Matt Shaw. Here's a decent one. 7 of 10 for the Padres. It's Ethan Salas. D'Artagnan with the jumbo lumber. There you go. All right, so I guess I'm wrong here. To 49. There's Mitch Jebb for the Pirates. And D'Artagnan. Oh, was Padres filler? I'm sorry, Padres was filler. I'm sorry, you're right. 7 of 10. Noldak David, you did get the Ethan Salas. I apologize. Mitch Jebb for D'Artagnan. If I said D'Artagnan, I might have mistaken him because he was right above it. And we have yet another one in a row. Caden Grice, 10 of 25. I think he's Diamondbacks. Yeah. Dean is fire with the lumber autograph. That's a first. I don't think he was supposed to sign there. I don't think he was supposed to sign there. I think he was supposed to sign underneath his pants. That's kind of interesting. I wonder if his other autos are like that. Got a redemption on the bottom. Oh, that's a nice one. Toronto. This kid's a gamer. 20 of 99 for the Jays. Rainieri gets Arjun Nimala. Nimala. And our last hit, I don't want to look at it. Good luck. Colossal Materials autographs. Ooh. For the Padres, that's going to be a random to everyone. It's Leo DeVries. A Leo DeVries. That's a big one. I stand corrected. I guess there is prospect autos here. That's huge. That should be for the Padres, and that's going to be a random to everybody. That card should be numbered to 99 or 49 or 25, and it won't matter because that's a random. Yeah, that's what I said. Someone took the Padres in number 2, not number 1. Well, let's recap it. Let's random. That was a solid box. Lots of prospects. Number to 49, so it's random to everybody in the serial. Good luck on the Leo DeVries. Good luck. It's a random to everybody. Top spot. Gonna get it. Top spot. Gonna get it. Good luck, everybody, on the Leo DeVries. We're going to go 5 times on the dice roll. Good luck. Top spot gets it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th and final. And it's going to G. Burrow gets it. Unbelievable. He called his shot. He said number 2 gets it right, and he got him. 5 times on the dice roller. G. Burrow with a beauty. G. Burrow with a beauty.